Hello, scholars. Well, today we are going to work with our heart words. Words we have to know by heart because, why? You are right. They do not look the way they sound, or they do not sound the way they look. And if we take a closer look at our paper, we will see that that rule is written right here. Heart words do not look the way they sound. I get to put my little marks in there. Yay! Look the way they sound. And my ear. They do not look the way they sound. And what? Oh, I was like heart words here and there. I was like, wait a minute, we had more heart words than that. Yeah, on the first page we had here, there, where, and were. Don't know why they didn't write them all up there. Where and were down here, but they should have written them all. Ugh. Tisk, tisk, tisk. First part, we're just going to use here and there in this first part. So from this, we're just using these two words. Here and there. Here means close to you. Here, you come here or towards me. There means away from you. You go there. So here, there. Close to you, away. All right. So here means close to you, and it tells us right here what it means. So if you don't forget, this is like a mini glossary or mini dictionary right on this page. Here means close to you. There means away from you. Fill in the blanks with the right heart word. I can handle that. I come blank often to eat lunch. I come there often to eat lunch. No, I come here often to eat lunch. So I come here. H-E-R-E. I'm talking about right here where I'm eating lunch. So I come here. Let's do another one. We go blank every day after school. We go here every day after school. We go there every day after school. We go there every day after school. Maybe there is the park, or maybe it's to daycare, or maybe it's to a friend's house. We go there every day after school. T-H-E-R-E. All right. And then you're going to fill in the other ones using here and there. The girl went to see the doctor. The girl went here to see the doctor, or the girl went there to see the doctor. Which one do you think? You were right. It is there. She went there. She went to the doctor's office. Right? All right, you can handle it. The dog came when I called him. My cat ran over to chase a bird. My sister has been waiting with me. You can handle that. All right, let's move on. The bottom half of the page, these next 12 sentences, are all about using were and where. Where, one of our question words that has the WH, right? Who, what, where, when, why, which, WH. And were, E-R-E. They all, remember, all of our heart words have E-R-E in them. The heart words were and where sometimes ask a question. Sometimes ask a question. And most people think of where as a question word, right? We start it. So it would start our sentences with who, what, where, when, why, or which. You will always put a WH. Were is the rule breaker for that. Doesn't begin with that. But sometimes ask a question. All right. First thing I see is the first 6 is the very first word. So I know that I'm going to have to put a capitalized W right there. I could just go through and do it now so I don't forget. All of these are going to begin with a capital because you're right. They're at the beginning of a sentence. And we only have 2 choices, were and where, so I know it's W. All right, fill in the blanks with the right heart words. I can handle that. All right, were you on time for the dentist, or were you on time for the dentist? Were you on time for the dentist? So, were, asking a question. W-E-R-E. And I got my capital W already made. I made that just so I wouldn't forget. Let's try another one. Blank did they go on their trip? Did they go on a trip, or where did they go on a trip? This time it's where. So W-H-E-R-E. Where did they go on a trip? One more. Were you afraid to go alone, or were you afraid to go alone? Were you afraid to go alone? Makes sense. W-E-R-E. Okay, I'll do one more with you. Then we'll have a quarter of them done. All right. Were they waiting at the bus stop, or were they waiting at the bus stop? Were they waiting at the bus stop? Were sounds better. Were they waiting at the bus stop? So W-E-R-E. Excellent. And just go through them. Use both words. See which one makes sense to you. Were or where? Fill it in. Where do you think the trail will end? Where do you think the trail will end? Where is the best place to put up our tent, or where is the best place to put up our tent? And you just keep reading. Oh, I see two more that are going to begin with capital letters. Don't forget, don't get tricked by these two at the bottom. All right? I think you can handle this. Were and where and here and there. Remember, try and do them yourself first, but if you have trouble reading part of it or understanding it, go ahead and ask, right? Mom, Dad, Grandma, Grandpa are there to help us, but they don't want to do your work for you, but they will help you. All right, if you need to, make sure you use the word please to ask for help, all right? Till then, go out and do great works.